I've had this bike since, I guess, 1991. Well, the other one, then this a bit later. Time to finally start restoring it, I think. It's been on a farm for about the last 10 years since it came across from Australia. Went and got it recently.
Have to try and get this old girl started so we can get the trailer down there.
This might be helpful for getting the trailer to the backyard. And it was. All the way down there.
Well, it's in and the trailer's out. Lots of missing bits. No lever there. The Vergasserverkleidung, however you say it, don't have one of those. I've got the plate that goes there. Missing a headlamp. Gotta sort out the fuel tank, of course. Spare guard. Got some more bits for it. I've actually got two of them. That's the frame for the other one.
Somebody's tried to rewire it at some point. It's an absolute mess though. They appear to have either green or red wiring, nothing else. So I've got a wiring loom that should fit the bike, although it's not exactly right for it, I don't think. But better get all this crap off of it for now and think about fitting the other one. I have no idea what this thing is. None whatsoever. Maybe something to prime it? Not sure. Let's get stuck that somewhere so it's out of the way. It is an absolutely horrible mess, all this cable. So I've got quite a few boxes of parts, largely from the other one. and a parts run I did when I bought the second one many years ago. These parts are mostly off the original one I bought first. These might be alright with replacement rubbers, perhaps. This is the head off the engine I gave you the parts for, Hans. And there's what's left of it. So I might stop here for now and clear up the garage so I can start to work on it.